Let us first know about the lymphatic capillaries. To answer this question, let's look into the composition of this lymphatic capillaries. This majorly has flap-like minivalves. Now this is formed by the overlapping of a type of cell that is nothing but endothelial cells. The second thing is that this mini valves, that is flap-like one way, can open in response to increased interstitial